I'm Liu. I'm the designer of Print Clay Humidifier. It is made from recycled ceramic. Each year, there are thousands of tons of ceramic waste is facing problems with recycle and disposal. This project offers better solution and a possible solution for the recycled ceramic waste use. Print Clay Humidifier functions just like a plant. It has two parts. The lower part is with outside glazed. It can keep water inside. The upper part can absorb the water and give water into the air. Based on the advice from the mentors, the structure, the size, also the used method have changed. One of the biggest change is the structure. I use the structure of penta. I found that the structure can really improve the water absorption height. The future plan of my project is I want to talk with the manufacturer and seller to get my design into the market so people can really take it into their home and use it to let it fresh their daily life. What Design for Better Tomorrow means to me is that we can use design to build a fresh, a visual, and a better world.